import videos, and we can preview it here. Then, we can running speech plus translate. Select the source language as Japanese. Should select the highest accuracy plus fast for better result. We select target language as English. This is the translation engine DeepSeek. It is starting recognition speech. We can view the live results. Recognition done and it's translating now. You heard a sound. When is finished? You can open the subtitles editor to see the results. If a subtitle item is longer than 10 seconds, you will see an alert here. If you are a subtitle creator, it is better to separate one subtitle item to two to make it short, and people will have better visual experience. If you want to, share the videos with your friends. You can export burn in subtitle video. We can come to Style Editor to set the subtitle styles. We back to Subtitle Edit page to export. You can select a folder. Just export to desktop. It starts processing, and you can minimize the windows. You can keep watching. We can take a look these videos. You can share the videos with your friends. Thank you.